In this video, I will show you the flawed logic and abnormal reasoning of how PrestaShop handles shopping carts, and how this module will improve your web shop's user experience. When the setting Redisplay Cart at Login is set to Yes, the last non-ordered cart is saved. The customer will be able to view their most recent saved cart upon logging in, and the order can be completed. That's the expected behavior, just like on most modern web shops. But PrestaShop has a surprising quirk. Its behavior isn't logical, and it doesn't match what customers or merchants expect. Let me show you what I mean. I've added 5 items to my shopping cart. Now I log in. PrestaShop correctly saves the cart. All 5 items are there. You can see I'm logged in as Donald Duck, and everything looks good. Now I log out. And then I log back in. Again, I'm signed in as Donald Duck, and all 5 items are still there. Perfect. That's how it should work. Now here's where the logic breaks. On my next visit, I add an item to the cart before logging in. Then I log in. What happens? Only that 1 item remains in my cart. The previous 5 items from my saved cart, they are all gone. PrestaShop discarded them, even though Redisplay Cart at Login is enabled. This is confusing for customers. They assume their cart is safely saved, but if they add something before logging in, they lose everything they had before. This module will fix this. It merges the guest cart with the customer's saved cart, so no items are lost. The behavior becomes predictable, logical, and aligned with what users expect from a modern web shop. Now, let me show you the smarter and improved logic of PrestaShop after you have installed this module. So, let's install the module, Merge Carts. In the module, you'll find the following settings. Enable logging. This will give you a detailed logging of cart merge operations. Delete old cart after merge. When this is enabled, the old cart will be removed and deleted from the database after the merge of carts has been made. Both options are disabled after installation. Let's enable the log, so I can show you that later. First, let's log in and see what is saved in my cart. Okay, we got 3 items in the cart. Now I log out. And then we add an item to the cart before we log in. Then I log in. Now the cart contains all 4 items. No item has been removed from the previous saved shopping cart. Our web shop has just become smarter, with improved logic and are much more user-friendly. Let's take a look at the log. It's located in Advanced Parameters Logs. If the message begins with Merge Carts, it's related to this module. All these lines are related to the merge of one customer, where each line describes what happened in the process. Thank you for watching.